Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today I have a Stylevana box to show you. Now if you've seen my vitamin C Stylevana box video, I really love that box, so I'm super excited for this one. This one is called the A Lister. There are two other boxes launching today, so there are 3 boxes in total. And you have a choice between the A-Lister box, which is this one, the Acne Busting Hero box, and a Wrinkle Fighting box. I will put links to everything in the description box, and you can also save on your order with my code INF10KBH. That can be used one time per customer, so definitely make sure to load up so that you save the most that you can. Each of these 3 boxes will have some hand-picked items for your Korean/Asian skincare needs, and they all come at a discount compared to purchasing each item separately. So let's just look into this one. Again, this one is the A Lister box. Here it is, carefully packaged. I'm going to change the camera angle a little bit so we can focus more on each item. Everything in there came carefully swaddled in bubble wrap like a baby. Those things were not going to get damaged during shipping. Here's the little booklet. Inside is information on each item. And then here are the other 2 boxes. I'm not going to show you the booklet inside right now because I don't want any spoilers. First one is this Beauty of JOSEON Radiance Cleansing Balm. I always butcher the name of this brand and I'm really sorry about that. But let's open that one. It is. I love cleansing balms, and it's a personal preference between oils and balms. It's whatever you like. I like some of each, like that there's this little protective thing here to keep it from spilling. I will be using all of these things and putting up reviews on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, as well as on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, so follow me on there if you don't already, if you want reviews of the actual items. Number 2 is an oldie but goodie. It's one of my favorite things from PURITO, and it's their Centella Unscented Serum. It is so good. I actually had both versions of this. The first one that they came out with had essential oils in it, but based on popular demand from consumers with more sensitive skin, the brand introduced this version. I really appreciate it. This is my 3rd bottle of it, I think. Overall 4th if we count the scented version as well. I just love it. It has soothing Cintella, niacinamide that can help with appearance of pores and even reduce the signs of aging and pigmentation. It has peptides. Madagascar acid is another derivative of Cintella, so another wonderful soothing thing. I like using this when I'm having a breakout or some redness, and I even will tell you a secret, this works really well at soothing ingrown hairs and other kind of irritations on the body. I like to use a little bit on my legs if I'm having some ingrown hairs after hair removal, so it's lovely. I'm very excited for a restock on this one. Next is the Centella Calming Gel Cream from iUNIK. I actually have this one already to try, but I still haven't really thoroughly tested it out to make sure that I can review it for you yet. However, I had their a snail cream, and that one was really good, so I am pretty stoked for this one. We'll see how it works. If you tried this one, let me know in the comments what you thought about it. In general, I feel like my impression of iUNIK is pretty positive. I did have one product, the peeling gel, that didn't quite work for me, but everything else so far has been good. Iconic, super popular Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. This one is my 3rd, 4th bottle of it. This is my 3rd small size, and then I've had a jumbo size of it as well. And I've shown it on my channel before. I adore this. I'm absolutely not mad about getting a restock of it. It's wonderful. It has a slightly thicker consistency, and if you ever use the Claire's unscented or the scented version of the Supple Prep Toner, it's similar to that in consistency. So it's a little bit thicker than water and very moisturizing and nourishing, and my combination skin does really well with it, especially now that we're moving into fall and winter and extra hydration is needed. I also shared this with one of my friends who is more in the age category of my mom, and she really likes it too. Haruharu does make a totally unscented version of this as well, but this version has lavender in it, and it does smell like lavender, which I find very relaxing as part of my skincare routine in the evening. This one is new to me. I am very thrilled with it though, just to try it, because I've been trying all these different Skin 1004 products. I've had their Centella toner, the ampule, and then most recently their gel. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's their moisturizer with the clear cap. So I am always down for trying more of their things, because so far I've loved 2 of them and the gel was okay. It was a little bit sticky. So this one is the sleeping pack. My toddler has something to contribute to the video, I'm sure you can hear in the background. So this is definitely a welcome addition to my skincare arsenal, and I will be reviewing that. Again, if you've tried any of these, please let me know what you think. And last but not least, couldn't have come at a better time, the Isntree Real Mugwort Clay Mask. I think I've actually already reviewed my prior bottle of this, so I'll link a review if I have it in the description box. It is so good. It is a wonderful clay-based soothing mask that can help reduce the appearance of pores, absorb excess sebum. It's just very soothing but not drying. And I am almost out of mine. I maybe have 1 or 2 uses, and the one I have I think also came from Stylevana, from one of their ambassador boxes. So definitely excited to get a restock of this. And if you are like me and you test a lot of products and you're a big skincare enthusiast, you know that it's definitely a great product when you're willing to try it more than once, because there's so many things to test that I kind of rarely get the same thing more than once. But the real winners are the ones that I want to use again and again and again. And this one is a real winner for sure. So to recap, we have the clay mask from Isntree, the PURITO Unscented Serum, Beauty of JOSEON Radiance Cleansing Balm, the Haruharu Wonder Toner, the iUNIK Centella Calming Gel Cream, and then this Skin 1004 Madagascar Cintella Hyalu-Cica, I'm assuming it's because of the hyaluronic acid, sleeping pack. So 6 products in total in this box. Again, I'll put all the links down in the description box for all 3 boxes. And now that we have looked through this, let's just take a peek at the little booklet. It gives you information about each product, which I appreciate, because not everybody knows about each one and how to use it and what they do. So there's all of that you can review. And the box and the other 2 boxes. Thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending me this. I really enjoyed actually working with Stylevana this year. I've discovered so many amazing things because of them that I wouldn't have otherwise tried, and they just carry so much variety. Not just K-Beauty, but Japanese brands as well, and I can find a lot of things on there that I can't find on other websites. So if you're shopping there, you can use my code INF10KBH 1 time per customer. I'd really appreciate it if you did that. Thank you so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, on my blog KBeautyHobbit.com, in my private Facebook group Korean Beauty Fanatics. We have over 60,000 members there, and we'd love to have you. I will see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you're having a wonderful time. And please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.